Hi guys, we will cook leftover grilled tilapia soup. So ayan, naglagay na tayo ng oil. And then, gisa natin yung onions. And bawang. And then now, let's put the fillet leftover grilled tilapia. Gisa lang natin siya. And let's put water. Mga 2 basong tubig. And then, let's put chicken stock para mas malasa yung sabaw. Then, halo natin yung 2 eggs. And then, let's put the thicker version ng noodles. And then miswa, or the thin noodles. We added ground pepper. And let's put a bit of salt. And now here is our soup with grilled tilapia leftover. Then now we will cook the perfect combination for that one. Our dried squid. You just have to make sure na hindi na overcook, kasi pag na overcook, nagiging mapait siya. And here is now our perfect combo.